Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Sign in with an administrator account so you can change credentials. Once logged in, open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign-in options. This path lets you manage passwords and security. If you use a Microsoft account, make sure Internet is on so changes sync. If you use a local account, proceed without network. Keep your current password ready for confirmation and have a new, strong password idea before you click Change. You now perform the core steps. Select Password in Sign-in options and click Change. Enter your current password to prove identity, then type the new password and confirm it exactly. Mismatches block the update. Make the new password at least 8 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols because stronger passwords resist guessing. Once entered, update any saved credentials in browsers or apps. Otherwise, automatic sign-ins may fail. Make a note or use a password manager to store it securely. Finish by confirming the change and signing out, then sign back in with your new password to verify everything works. Make sure you update any linked devices, email clients, and password managers so automated logins continue. If you used a Microsoft account, changes should sync across devices. Wait a few minutes. If you cannot sign in, use the password reset option or boot recovery. Try a reset disk, Windows Safe Mode, or HP recovery tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.